Hey guys, it's me, Hannah.
And Rachel.
And I'm vlogging this weekend because hopefully something fun will happen. It's Memorial weekend. Right now we're on the way to some wild caves. Ethan has led us to nowhere.
We're going to caves. We'll find them.
Okay, we made it to the river. That's a start. We were led to just a bunch of boats. We have arrived to the new caves. And well, another bust. We gave up on the cave tours because a little someone couldn't find them.
Hey.
And now we're gonna go eat. So there may be a tornado coming in. Not sure, but Ethan does not. Wow, lightning, yeah. Cue an amazing conversation with the waiter.
Yeah, I was right. I knew that was coming. I knew that.
The tornado! He won't let us leave. No, I know. And now it's cooling down. See, even he thinks the tornado's coming. Oh, thank you. The whole time I was filming this man, he was just trying to take my tray away from me. I am dumb. Okay, it's getting real dark. The wind is picking up, and we're getting rain on. Stop! Don't run! You're making me nervous. Oh my god. Okay, so I'm pretty. I don't even know what to say. A little worried right now. We're about 35 minutes from home. It's blackout. Hi, good morning. Oh, wow. All right, we're gonna try this another time. I am about to get my eyebrows waxed, so I'm gonna go do that. And that's my plan so far for the day. I have an appointment later today, but yes, happy Friday. Wow, this is such a great angle. I just got done with my waxing, and this time she used hard wax, and I've never done hard wax before. And it felt so much better. I don't know, that didn't hurt nearly as much as waxing hurts, and I don't think waxing hurts to start, but some people do. To each their own, right? So I would say if you want to get your face waxed and you're scared of it, try hard wax because it was like a breeze. And and that's the sky. So I went to a grad party today. This is Mitchell.
Hey.
And we have Rachel again. Good morning, you guys. Yesterday was a fail day of vlogging, but it's a new day. It's Saturday, and I'm going out to lunch with my friend Sonia. You guys know her for sure. She's been in a few videos now. I'm just doing my makeup now. So yesterday, I was actually like pretty eventful, but I just kept forgetting to vlog it. I did my wax. You guys saw that. I went to a gynecologist appointment for birth control. So that was at 1:30. And then after I went to Nordstrom Rack. My voice sounds really gross. My apologies. After that, I went home. I did my nails, and then I went to a grad party. I said that really weird, grad party. And then I went over to my friend Mackenzie's house, and I spent the night there with my friends Rachel and Mitchell. I came home this morning, and here I am getting ready for lunch with my girl Sonia. I miss her. So I'm just gonna do my makeup quick. And yeah, this is a very intense eye right now. Did not mean to do that. Very, very unintentional. The boy with the long hair in the beginning clips of this vlog going to the caves, his name's Stefan. He's from Latvia, I believe. He's my friend Ethan's hockey friend, and he has a channel as well, so I'm gonna link his channel down below. He's vlogging his trip in Minnesota, and he does cool montages. Sorry, I was focusing. So I'll link his channel down below and go ahead and check him out. All right, I'm gonna finish this makeup and I'll talk to you guys later. We are at a restaurant called Soda Roll, and I forgot to vlog earlier, but we actually still have a lot of our food, so it's so good. I got this garden sushi burrito and kimchi, but I ate all the kimchi.
I got a sweet and spicy pokey, or poke, we don't know.
We're not sure.
I'm like really white and like kind of uncultured, but it's really good, with salmon. And then I also got miso soup, which is honestly, Haiku's is better.
Uh-oh. We went to Urban, did some shopping.
Sorry.
Now we're walking through a cute little mall.
I'm about to meet up with someone on Tinder, so
I
that's
know,
my life.
guys. Send Sonia well wishes.
Okay, if like honestly I could get murdered and like all my pieces could get chopped up and thrown into the river, but like if that happens, love Hannah, love everyone.
Peace out, you too. Quick OOTD. My dress is from Urban. My sunglasses are from some place, I don't remember. We got Birkenstocks, friendship bracelets, homemade Altanami scrunchie. Arrived at a spot. First we were downtown and like that wasn't working, so now we're at a zoo. I want to just go to like the botanical garden conservatory part of it, but it might be closed because I don't see anyone walking in it. I got these new shades at Urban today, so you guys, wow, when I take them off it's a completely different color. We had an unwanted photo shoot in here, but we're starting to get extremely overheated because, you know, gotta keep it warm for the plants, but I'll insert pics of us here. There was a bonfire, but now it's out. And this is my #1 fan.
#1! Ew, don't put that in.
That's going in. And we have Mackenzie.
You need to
Insert picture of Rachel here. Hi, and welcome to our spontaneous trip. So we're going up to a cabin for literally not even 24 hours, but it's Memorial weekend, so yes. And we were so bored. We, I think, sat on FaceTime for like an hour saying, what do you want to do? I don't know, what do you want to do? So here we go. We just finessed some free Culvers, so. Kendra! Oh,
You're wet. No, I just took a shower.
This is the setup we have going on. Woohoo, cute little log cabin. Right now, we are on our way to our friend Cam's house. made a new friend. This is Coco. It's okay. We're here. We are and it's just a good time.
It's a great time.
I just got home. It is like 3 in the morning and I'm getting home at the same time as my brother, which is really funny. But it's like 3 a.m. and I'm closing the vlog here. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.